Hey everyone, Marcus here. So you see YouTube in front of me. Yesterday I was talking about the media module, how to improve and add metadata to like stuff like images and documents and stuff. And those things are fairly easy to do. What I said yesterday is also as soon as there is a service that does video, we're gonna add that. But that got me thinking that there is actually a way to solve this today. So I started developing that yesterday night just because I got inspired, and now there is a rule that can basically describe a video. So that's what I want to show you now. Um, I have just ripped a video from YouTube. So this is the video that we're talking about, that I'm gonna use as example, just so you can basically rerun this yourself to make sure that this works, but also see the description that I create now actually has something to do with what you see and what you hear in this video, right? I will explain how this works, but because the generation takes a long time, I will just start setting up everything. So the AI Interpolator is already installed. The AI Interpolator OpenAI is already installed with a key. I just enabled the media module because that's what we're gonna be working with here. Then we go to media types and video in this case then. And we have a video file, so I can just show you what you get basically if we do a video here. So I'm just gonna upload this video here, save it, and then we have a video file, right?
I'm not allowed to climb this tower. I did ask, but not only just climbing this.
Yeah, you see that is that video, right? With audio and everything. What we're gonna do now is that we want some metadata from this, right? And in this case, I'm just gonna do the simplest thing, which is basically describe it. So I have only added this so far to text formatted long. In theory, this could be added like the image description to any type of field. Is there emails in this field? Does this video, or sorry, is there emails in this video represented, or are they talking about emails? Or so it becomes an email field in that case, or if it's Boolean, like is this video about Tom Scott, which it is in this case, and get checked and so on. So I could add that. Just comment or create a ticket if you think that's actually something that would be useful. It will take some time to do this, but I could do that if people find it useful. The reason I'm a little bit hesitant is because I think OpenAI will, come with a feature for this soon. I hope that's better than what I have done here, but that's if you want something in the meantime, basically. So I'm just gonna do a video description here, field. So it's formatted text, text formatted long. That's the only place this rule works at the moment. And as I said, this is only in the dev branch. You would have to get the dev branch version of it. It's not stable in this case. And then I just enable the AI Interpolator, and there is this rule, OpenAI video to text. And we just say which base field we do, and then basically what we want to get out of it. So describe the video from start to finish in one value in up to 5 paragraphs with up to 4 sentences each. You may use HTML tags like headers, strong, italic, underline. Oh, it's not italic, it's EM, I guess. Also describe the videography, so you can see, because otherwise it would be easy to just get it from the transcription what's actually happening, right? And how it matters to your description. And once again, this is prompting. You have to write the right prompt, and you have to write what you want out from it also. So you could ask basically, do we see Tom Scott in this video? And it would probably give you a very short answer, like yes, Tom Scott is in this video, if it knows about Tom Scott, which I assume it does. What's important to know here, there's no advanced prompting in this case. You can take many tokens. I could fix this later if you can think of a reason to do this, but right now there's actually not even placeholders, so you just write what you want basically. Normally you should definitely do batch here, sorry, cron, because this is gonna take forever, but I have long timeout, so I can run it on the web server locally, no problems. I just do direct here. You can also say that you only want the video to matter or only the audio, but in this case we're gonna do both. I just save this and then I go back to the content. Sorry, it's a media, and we're gonna have that field under here. Yeah, we should probably move it up, by the way, so it looks a little bit better. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to press manage form display there. Video description we put directly on the video file. Save, reload. So you can see that the video description is empty, right? We click save and this is gonna take forever. So while we're doing this, I'm gonna show you what is happening now. So it's, of course, it's transcribing the video, but then it's also taking, and this is not my idea, I mean, I have thought about it, but this guy on like OpenAI's forum gave me a much better idea. So my idea was basically take each of the scene cuts. So this is, oh, by the way, this is using FFmpeg in the background. You need FFmpeg to be able to do this. If you don't have FFmpeg, the rule is not going to show up. But anyway, with FFmpeg, you can do something that basically says that if there's a scene cut, which is usually where keyframes happen, so if you know video, you know what a keyframe is. But if there's a scene cut, take a screenshot. If something completely different happens, take a screenshot. And my idea was to send all these images, but then I realized, you know, that was this Tom Scott video is like a 7-minute video. It would generate like 60 images. So then this guy said like, okay, we can take a video, and in his case he's just taking every second or something, I think, and generate like a raster from it. So basically what I did was to combine these two things, where I said that, oh, it's finished, by the way, just so you know how long it takes. But before we see the results, I'm just gonna explain everything. That we raster all these keyframes in multiple images and send all these images, and I also add the timestamp, so it can basically connect that whatever is said at 6 seconds that comes back from the transcription as being said at 6 seconds is connected to this image, right? And that's it. So we're sending all these raster images, we're sending the transcript, and basically tell OpenAI, this is a video, please answer the prompt. And then you get something back like this. Oh, here we have the JSON error again. So this would basically be something like this, I guess. So the video narrates the history and current state of blah, blah. So yeah, you could just, you know, you can just pause the video on YouTube and compare this to the video that Tom Scott made, because you know which video it is. And then you can basically see that it's using kind of the video. You can see here, by the way, because this you could get from transcription, but the footage feature various shots that include aerial views, close-up of towers, historical references. So you can see that it also actually takes the images. So while this is not definitely not a perfect solution of doing video descriptions compared to the models that will come in, I'm sure, not that long time, it is a way to do it today. So yeah, that's it. If you want to try it, you have to get the dev version, as I said. So yeah, thank you for watching.